Hi guys, this is Talia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a plan with me for the week of August 22nd to the 28th and my DIY Big Happy Planner. I have my monthly catch-all plan, so I have a couple of things going on this week. I have this in case I need it. I had the black quotes by Amber in case I could fit a quote. I have this, the Functionally Chic Pink Bloom. I want to use sunflowers. I don't know which one yet. I'm thinking this ones or this one's right here. I don't know yet. The kit that I'm using is a kit that I created myself. I created a grease kit. These are Google images that I Google for grease to commemorate Olivia Newton-Jones. She died on August 8th. And the first week I couldn't do it because I had my mother's birthday and I wanted to do a kit for that. Last week I forgot that I wanted to do a grease kit week, but so I'm gonna do it this week. And this week we have the, I still have not filled out this week. We have the horizontal. So this week the kit that I created is to fix the horizontal boxes. And then I also created the overlays. I'm gonna use some overlays that I created. They are rose gold and they have little stars. And then I am gonna use this washi for the bottom. For the bottom over here because I had the washi, so it's gonna give some sparkle. So that's what I'm gonna use today. Again, these are Google images. It's just for personal use, so it's okay to use them. And yeah, I wanted to do that because that's, you know, that's a movie that it's an iconic movie, and she was the iconic Sandy also that we love so much. So I am gonna do that. So if you want to know how this spread come out, keep on watching. I am gonna put you and fast forward like I always do. I put some music and then I come back at the end. Stay tuned for it. Okay guys, so this is what I came out with. I had a fail, which was here. As you can see, I did the overlay too short for this two right here. I still put it because it was gonna look awkward without it, so it's okay. This is only for me, but yeah, that's a fail, so that's something I gotta fix for the next one. I like the flowers that I use. Here I needed to put, I did my work but in here I didn't want it to cover the word grease, so that's why I didn't use it. So I used two of the smaller boxes. So, but practically I use everything for the kit except this boxes, but I'm gonna leave this. I could use this in another thing. And then these are some physical therapy stickers that I created in my Cricut, because I start physical therapy on the 25th. And then I still got some overlays, but it's headers and boxes, so I'm just gonna cut them and put them in my storage. And then I use my Michael's Artist Love dot pens to make bullet things, because the days when I work, the days that I work right after my other shift, I really don't have time to do nothing. Only if I go to Walmart or something during my lunch hour is the only thing, but I get out from one job to the other one, so I really don't need to do lists. Didn't thought about that when I created this, but it's okay. I like the way it came out. I like here it got crooked because if you see in the video when I was putting it, it fell. And this is vinyl, so once it touches the paper, you cannot lift it. But overall, I like the way it looks. So now let's put it in my big planner. And this for this week. Oh, I gotta get the We Are Memory Keeper punch, because like here I went over the thing, so, and it's a pain to put it in the regular punch. So we're just gonna cut that with the scissors so it could fit. So yeah, I have it in my Amazon cart. I need to order something next week, so when I order what I need to order, so I'll buy it. It's already in my cart, so because I need it. So there you go, it goes there. This looks funny, but it's okay. I mean, I'm the only one who see this planner, nobody else. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye now.